Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio guys from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Banerjee. As Asian equity markets are actually trading in the red. क्योंकि there was a sell-off in the US stocks और उसका ही आज follow through है. Dollar index is soft, so it's not that we have a complete risk off जहाँ पे dollar is strong, equities are down, but it's a mixed bag. Dollar rupee is trading largely flat, maybe slightly higher. अगर यहाँ पे ओपन होता है तो ऑनशोर फ्यूचर्स फेब फ्यूचर्स में स्टार्ट ट्रेडिंग अराउंड 82, 64, 66 levels. Now it's going to be interesting how the dollar rupee trades क्योंकि कल RBI का monetary policy was completely on the expected lines and RBI said it quite explicitly that they will not telegraph to the market about the change in policy stance. अभी तक they are maintaining the status quo on the stance which is slightly hawkish, or at the same time they have hiked the rates by 25 basis points. Because understandable क्योंकि RBI would like to see how the Fed moves ahead with its policy, so they just wanted to maintain the flexibility. Now RBI talked about interestingly that Indian rupee is much less volatile than its other peers. So they use the 1 month implied volatility to consider that. Now the question comes in, is RBI also thinking of participating in the options market as an option seller in case the implied volatility from time to time moves higher? That's a conjecture at this point in time, but something to keep your mind on. But also it says that RBI staunchly is a seller of volatility, whether they sell it through options market or they which as of now they have not done, or they actually sell through spot or forwards to contain the realized volatility. So they are staunch sellers of volatility in the market, and that's the reason why Indian rupee attracts so much of interest from the retail traders who want to sell options. But again, we need to focus on strategies where we can manage our risks when we are shorting options. Now coming to the levels on USDINR, 82, 30, 40 के आसपास एक अच्छा सपोर्ट है एंड रेजिस्टेंस इज अराउंड 82, 65. अगर 82, 30 breaks, then you could see a slide towards 82 levels, 82, 82.05 levels. Otherwise 82, 30 would become the near term floor and a resistance 82, 65 which have crossed. ये spot का बात कर रहा हूँ, 82, 65 के ऊपर 82, 80. Now how to play? We don't have immediately a trade in mind how to do it. We have done a short iron fly, keeping 82.75 as the strike, because we are looking at a possible range over the next 1 week. But at the same time, we didn't want to have an unhedged position because dollar rupee technically has not entered a range yet. We are anticipating that. Straddles, triangles, intraday ke liye it's fine, but when you're taking positional, just keep in mind your position sizes should be such that you're able to handle a sudden spike up or down in the price. Futures ke liye around 82, 30, 40, that zone is a buying opportunity क्योंकि वहाँ पे support है with the stop loss below, and 82, 80 के आसपास it's a selling opportunity क्योंकि 83 के आसपास there is a massive resistance, so you can keep a stop above that. So you can play this kind of a range in USDINR. Global cues are mixed, as I said, so we may not get much direction from there. Of course, the equity market we have to keep a close eye on. On cross currencies, USDINR, GBP may see some upside today. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. Have a fantastic day ahead.